Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Tesla Dashcam recordings. So in the Tesla owner's manual it's explained that viewing video recordings, that you can view the clips on the touch screen of the Tesla or in the Tesla mobile app or on a computer. In the Tesla mobile app you do need the premium subscription to access the Dashcam feature via the mobile app. So viewing them on the touch screen is the easiest, but you can't get a copy of it easily to your phone or computer. So the way to get it on your computer is to remove the USB drive from the cloud box and then inserting the USB drive to your computer. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So the Tesla Cam folder will contain these three folders: recent clips for things recorded in the last 60 minutes, and saved clips, so contains all recordings that are saved and renamed from the recent clips folder, and then we have Sentry Clips. But if you're wanting to view the Dashcam clips, I'm going to show you where they exactly are. So here I have the Tesla drive number D on my machine plugged into the computer via the USB cable. And we can see that there's a Tesla Cam folder. That's the only folder on the device. And when we go into the folder, we will see those three subfolders which were discussed previously. Encrypted clips doesn't contain anything for me. And under the saved clips, I actually have the clip I want to watch. That's a recording from today at 16:36:08. And here we will have footage. This is a Tesla Model Y from 2023. And we will have the back recording, the front recording, the left repeater and the right repeater. And then there's a thumbnail for that recording, which thumbnail is used on the Tesla screen. And then we have an event JSON file, which has some event data. It does not have the telemetrics of the clip, but just some location information. Usually it's the front clip which we want to view, so if we double click, for me on this Windows machine it will open the VLC app, since I have that installed, and here we can see a 40-second clip and we can view it, but it will not contain any burnt in telemetrics information. So if you want information of telemetrics like speed and which pedals were pressed, those can be viewed on the Tesla screen, at least in an emergency event. Those will be visible there. So I think if you have a case where you need some video recordings for insurance purposes, I would do two things. I would take the recordings like this, which I'm showing, so you get the full quality, but then also just use your mobile phone to record a video when you're playing back the video on your Tesla screen, because that will show the speed of the car, and it will also show is the accelerator or the brake pedal being pressed or not. If this video was helpful to you, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.